this video, we're going to look at like a normal play that you can have just to learn subtraction and addition. And now this is called you cycle the larger number, the larger answer. So that means you're going to go through all the numbers, kind of add or subtract, and then find which one is the largest number in that column or among the numbers, and then just cycle it, okay? So now let's start with A. So in this case, now we have 35, and we want to know, the first thing you have to do is to, compute the number. So here we have 35 plus 1, so that's going to give us 36, and then 35 plus 0, that's going to give us 35, and then we have 35 plus 2, that's going to give us 37. And now the next thing you have to do is to find out amount of all this, which one is the largest. So we have 35, 36, 37, so we have 37 is the largest. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Now let's go. For the purpose of scrolling down, I would go from 1 and 6, so that when I scroll down, I just handle everything. So I'm not going to follow number 1, 2, 3 to 6. So now let's look at here. So we have 6. Here is subtraction. So we're going to say, what is 100 minus 10? So we have 90. 100 minus 20, we have 80. 100 minus 30, we have 70. So in this case, the idea is to you cycle the largest answer. So from 70, 80, and 90 becomes. So let's continue. Question 2, we have 13 minus 6. That one gives us 7. 13 minus 5. That one gives us 8. And 13 minus 7, that one gives us 6. So the largest is going to be 8, so that's what you cycle. We have here 8, that is what we cycle now. Yeah, let's now look at 20. 20 plus 30 will give us 50. 20 plus 40 will give us 60. 20 plus 20 will give us 40. The largest answer is 60, so that's what we cycle. This is a game that kids will just like playing with instead of making things difficult. So number 8, 100 plus 30 will give us 130. 100 plus 20 will give us 120. 140 will give us 140. So in this case now 120, and if you consider 120, 130, 140 is the largest answer. So you cycle that. Now let's look at 145. 145 plus 0, that's going to give us 145. 145 minus 16, that's going to give us 139. 129, sorry. And 145 minus 6 is going to give us 139. So you look at all of them, 139, 129, 145 is the largest answer. Again, let's look at number 4. So in this case, we ask ourselves, among here, like all these ones, which one is greater? So we want to look at the answers and say which one is greater. So we say 18 plus 5 is 23. 19 plus 5 is 24. 17 plus 5 is 22. So we want to find between 22, 23, which one is bigger, and we know 24 is bigger. It's the larger answer, so that's what we. So let's look at this one also. We have 95 plus 5 gives us 100. 100 minus 0 gives us 100. And then we have 11 plus 90, that gives us 1 and 1. So which one is greater? 101 is greater than. So how about here? We want to find out the answers first of all, and then later find out which one is the biggest or the largest answer. And from there, we get the largest number, and that's what we cycle. So we have here 25 plus 5 will give us 30. 30 plus 4 will give us 34. Then we have here 25 plus 10 will give us 35. And then we say 25 plus 2 will give us 27 plus 3 will give us 30. So in this case, if you have 30, we have 34 and 35. 35 is the largest answer. So that is how you deal with numbers like this. Thank you so much for listening.